here at the Creative Retreat, we have people from all over, all types of life, and they come here to create in this space that is beautiful. And so we share with you today both some beautiful images and our words about why we create and why we come together to create. And so that I hope that it inspires you and that you find creation more a part of your journey.
Why do I create? Why not?
I create because it's my soul speaking to me and to the world. It needs to come out.
Creating for me is like breathing. It's a meditation. It's a place where I can both find myself and lose myself. And it just is who I am, a creative being.
I create because it makes my heart happy.
I create to tell interesting stories that haven't been told before, and stories that will affect someone positively and change their lives for the better.
It's been in me from the moment I could pick up a pencil. Um, it relaxes me. I play and have fun. So, yeah, it's overall just a delight.
I create to be part of something bigger than myself.
I create to decompress. It helps me relax. It takes me somewhere out of my current space and helps me to breathe.
I create to express myself, to relax my mind, to get things out of my head, and to make something that I think is pretty.
I create because it's an extension of myself. It's bringing the world into me and taking my own being out into the world. I also create because it's like a meditation. I don't meditate that well as far as just sitting there doing the meditations, but when I'm painting, when I'm creating, time falls away.
I create because it's my nature. And for me, creativity is a way to capture the beauty that I see in the world.
I create so that I can relax. When I'm creating, time absolutely flies by and it occupies my time in a healthy way. And that's really why I create.
Because I can't not create. Creation just is everything, and I create with whatever happens to be available.
To me, creating is like the most natural thing, like just like breathing.